We'll guide you through how to discover the benefits of using Asana effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your browser and navigate to the Asana website. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard, which is your central hub for managing tasks and projects. Click on the My Tasks section on the left-hand sidebar. This area organizes all your tasks in one place, showing you what's due today, what's upcoming, and any tasks you've recently completed. Next, explore the Projects section. Here you can create new projects by clicking the Add Project button. Asana allows you to choose from a variety of templates tailored for different needs, like marketing campaigns or product launches. This feature can save you time and help streamline your workflow. Once your project is created, you can start adding tasks by clicking the Add Task button. Assign these tasks to team members by using the Assignee option. You can also set due dates to keep everyone on track. Don't forget to check out the Timeline view, which provides a visual representation of your project schedule. This helps you see dependencies between tasks and manage deadlines effectively. As you work through your projects, use the Inbox feature to keep up with notifications and updates from your team. It's a great way to stay connected and ensure nothing falls through the cracks. Finally, make use of Asana's reporting tools. The dashboard feature gives you an overview of project progress, allowing you to assess team performance and identify areas for improvement. By tapping into these features, you can maximize productivity and collaboration. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.